everybody, I'm Donna, and this is Saw It on the Internet and Had to Buy It and Try It. And today we're going to be testing out Glam waves. So I was on Amazon, as I normally am, because Amazon is like my favorite place to shop because you got Prime shipping and it ships to you like within 2 days. I was looking for a different way to curl my hair because I love curling my hair, but since I got this ombre done, my ends of my hair have been really fragile and really dry, and I wanted to try and stay away from using any heat tools. So I was trying to figure out a way to curl my hair and not use any heat. And then I came across this and I was like, hey, first thing I need to do is the instructions say to dampen my hair. So let's do it. And we're back. I bet you're wondering why I'm in my sleepy time clothes. Well, supposedly this product, you're supposed to be able to sleep with it and wake up with luxurious curls in the morning. I've never opened this product before. This is my first time trying it. So what you get inside is the roller and some more instructions. The first step is to take this and to shape it to the size of your head so it fits comfortably. Working from the front to back, I'm going to take small sections of hair and feeding it upwards and wrapping it around. This is a little bit more complicated than it looks. Okay, so. First side done. I seem to be having some technical difficulties trying to get this thing in, so I'm gonna try it again. Maybe I'll be able to get it in. I tried to put it on a little snugger this time because the last time it felt looser, so maybe this will help. Okay, this side feels pretty good now. What I've noticed is if you pull it away from your hair a little bit and make sure you have a grasp on the hair, it's easier to slide through and then keep going. If you lose your hair somewhere in this, it'll start pulling and it won't slide in easily. All right, halfway done. I think I got it. We'll just have to wait and see till tomorrow how this turns out. It's about 10:30 a.m. the next morning and I still have this thing in my hair. It was not that uncomfortable to sleep with. It was definitely a lot more comfortable than sleeping with rollers in your hair. I don't know if you've ever done it, but yeah, can be quite uncomfortable. So I did, however, wake up a few times during the night just to reposition it. It was starting to slip off my head, but other than that, it wasn't bad at all. I can't wait to see how the curls turn out. So let's check it out. So all you have to do to take it out of your hair is to unvelcro the strap and just roll it out. Quick, simple, and easy. Flashback to the 70s. Well, it definitely curled my hair, but it did not give me these loose, beachy waves that it claimed to do. So I'm sure if I had longer hair, it might have done that. But with shorter hair, this is what you get. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. Whew. If I did something wrong, please let me know. The instructions were pretty much straightforward. I did what they said to do. My hair looked exactly like it did in the instructions. So I don't know. For me and my short hair, this didn't work at all. Oh boy. Wow. I mean, come on, Glam Waves. Really? Really? What is this? What is this? I don't know. If you want to see more videos with me, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Or you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at BubblyDonut23. Thanks for watching. Bye.